Hot flashes at 3 a.m. I wasn't sweating, I was just testing my fire alarm. Hi, I'm Kay. I'm a menopause autism mom who lost 59 pounds in stubborn weight, and now I help women like us navigate without losing our minds. Let's talk about these hot flashes that wake us up like we're in a sauna. The real culprit, dropping estrogen levels that mess with our body's thermostat. The fix? Cool your bedroom down, wear lightweight fabrics, and consider natural supplements that balance hormones. And if you're still roasting at night, magnesium before bed can be a game changer. And if you'd like to know more, including the supplements that help me sleep through the night, again, drop deets in the comments. I'll fill you in. And don't forget to hit that follow button so we can tackle menopause together.